Hello everybody, just want to come on here right quick and give y'all some TikTok shop tips that I have been experiencing on my TikTok journey. Okay, so hello, so let me introduce myself. I am Nikki. The name of my channel is Life with Nikki D, and the D stands for determined. Okay, that is not my government last name, and you may never know unless you do some research and digging. But if it's that serious, let it make it be that serious. So anyway, I just want to come on here and introduce myself. My nickname is Nikki. Like I said, that is not my government name, but it is what it is. So thank you all for watching. So let's talk about the topic at hand. So my experience doing TikTok shop. If you have been interested in getting started with TikTok shop, you all you need to, whenever you find an item that you want to begin advertising or promoting, you need to start your video off with that item. That's where I've been finding myself getting violations at. So this is just my experience. If you have gotten approved to do TikTok shop, or you do have a business, when you want to promote that item, start that video off showing that item. Okay, that's just one of the tips that I want to share with you all. That's why I started this video off with an item. This isn't an item that I'm promoting. It's just in my car, and this is what I do my YouTube videos with when I do car vlogs and whatnot. So that's why it's sitting in this angle, because YouTube, needs to be in that angle, not this angle. And I got this somewhere. I forgot what I got it, but it was cheap, and I got it. And it don't even stick. You know what I'm saying? Look, I bought something at home, and excuse the dirt, but I bought something from inside my house that I use for my reselling business, and just try to get it to stick right here, and it still didn't stick. So but it does the trick for YouTube vlogging when I'm sitting in the car. But I'm just trying to get y'all understanding. If you're trying to do TikTok shop, when you do have an item that you want to promote or advertise or tell people about, start your video off with that product, with that item, right? You will find way more success that way. Also, follow people who are doing the same thing you want to do. So if they're promoting household items, see how they set their videos up. If they're doing hair tutorials or wigs or makeup, see how they set their videos up. That will give you a lot of information and instructions where you won't feel like you're pulling your head out. You keep getting violations, because if you get so many violations, TikTok will kick you out the program. So I felt like making this video with you all today, sharing my experience with TikTok shop, will help you all try to figure out, like, well, darn, why I keep getting violations? I keep seeing everybody else doing it. That's one of the things I realized. Start your videos off with the item or the product that you're trying to promote and share with your viewers, your subscribers, or whoever you're trying to get your message across with. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, y'all. Peace.